Hey, thanks for checking into WeatherBug on this Thursday as we talk more about your national coast-to-coast forecast. We're entering a high-amplitude weather pattern next week. We'll tell you what that means in just a second, but we're also tracking a severe weather today and also into next week, and then some heavy rain a possibility as well. So Wichita up to 87 yesterday, also in Dallas, in 77 in Albuquerque and Denver up to 74, 47 though in Minneapolis, one of the cooler spots on our map. Temperatures today across the Midwest still a bit cooler than we should typically be at this time of the year. And then tomorrow on Friday, you can see some warmer weather from Denver to St. Louis, and that'll be out ahead of a developing storm system, which is expected to be pushing through the midsection of the nation over the weekend. We'll stop the clock here by Saturday, 6 p.m. Notice this big trough in the western part of the country. This will have some implications in places in the west here as well. But watch what happens. Storm system kind of gets cut off from the upper levels of the atmosphere and kind of just hangs out in the central and eastern part of the country through most of next week. So as the storm system pushes east, we're talking showers, thunderstorms, heavy rain, but also some big cooling. And the high amplitude weather pattern, again, going from, say, the big ridge in the west to a big trough in the east. And that will keep the weather conditions pretty typical of what we've been seeing as of late, warmer in the west, much cooler in the east. Here's storm system number 1 and storm system number 2 moving into the western part of the country. But storm system number 1 for Thursday, a slight risk of severe weather from St. Louis to Shreveport, east to Memphis and Nashville. Hail and high winds the primary threat, but then heading into this weekend and early next week as that secondary storm system moves in, we're talking as multi-day severe weather threat that could also bring tornadoes. So that's what we'll be watching for. Our forecast again shows that first storm system moving off to the east, and then here comes storm system number 2. Now over a 5-day period, some spots in the midsection of the nation could be talking 2 to 4 inches of rain or more.